Can tell you something? And our ex-gang we over here, and we say ex-gang. And them. We. I know say upon a big man level, disappointed in myself. Yes. Me disappointed in myself, dog. Can't believe, bro. Let's see this. This Tavii situation. Good. Do no good for me. Not one bit. You see, people are wicked, dog. And the Tavii situation, it never do me no good. No way, no for my time. I didn't gain off it. I mostly lose. I almost lose my page. Everything when we work so hard for all these years. You see me? Make no sense and going back and forth. You see me? Do no good for me, dog. So Tavii, if you watch this, or anybody I watch this for you, dog, we allow off of this thing. We are going. I don't know if it's a benefit for you, but it's not a benefit to me. So bad bro, let's leave off of this and be two grown man and entertain the people them. Because the thing here it a sabotage my page. I'm gonna be bigger man and come and say, oh, this now make no sense, dog. So if you're a big man and you want to continue this, it's for you. What you see now, dog, you're up on a bigger level and have bigger things in life to worry about more than go up on Instagram and go back and forth with people, dog. So I'm going to be a bigger person, or you can be a bigger person too. I will going to say below this alone. Nah, carrying away here, bad man. Because we just live and give people them joke. I will job that. So, if you watch this, my G, go and do it, man. Or yourself. You understand? Yeah. Go on. Back and forth. Nah, I can't go now with that. Yeah, dog. The back and forth and everything, it get out of hand. And you see, we have such an excellent show. You see me? Cause dog, we just leave it alone, or we just do things like big man. Yeah, man. We are be bigger person. Or so me left it alone. Yeah. What happen is, me take up too much people problem for my head. You see me? Me take up too much people problem for my head and I had an idea. Benefit me, dog. Dog, me say what the end of that, me not see benefit out of it in a youth. Big man thing, dog. Before back of me here, this is tired. One day, yesterday to today, me asleep. My body beat out, youth. So that's why you hear me telling us that I'm kind of link with manager. I tell manager, say after the show, I'm not going to do no more show. I'm just going to do some ads and just take some time for myself. You see me? Fly go to Jamaica, go chill out for 1-2 weeks and take some time for myself. And me alone, I get all this pressure for myself and it don't make no sense. You see me? And me alone, I put them pressure upon my head and it don't make sense.